All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a price prediction for NEO. Is the stock headed for $3 or $10? You tell me. I know if you're a buyer, if you're a long-term holder, you're going to tell me $10. I get it. Eventually, maybe in the next 20 years plus, the price in NEO could run to $10. But I mean, if we're going to keep it real, if we're going to be a realist, then we need to say it looks likely that price is going to run down to $3 first, because currently the sellers are the ones moving the price in NEO. Don't get mad at me. I'm just giving you the information as how I see it from the chart. We need to be mad. If you're going to be mad at anybody, you need to be mad at the people who's doing the selling. Okay? There's a lot of people who's trying to get up off their NEO positions. I don't know the reason why. Maybe NEO's not selling enough cars. Maybe NEO's not making enough money. Maybe people don't want to buy EVs. So people are like, look, I'm trying to get above my NEO stock then. Maybe the people who are selling their positions might need the money for some other reason. Have you ever thought about that? Like, the reasons as to why people buy and sell, it's innumerable. You can never figure out the causes and the reasons why prices go up, prices go down, people buy, people sell. You don't know the specific reasons why, which is why I don't depend on what the media is speaking about, because more often than not, they're just speaking their books, the things that they hold on to try to get you to act a certain way. But when I look at the chart for what it is, right? When you look at it for what it is, you're unbiased. You just simply pay attention to what's going down. Then you can actually see clearer what's trying to, or what price is trying to do. All right. So that is why when you look at NEO right now, we're anticipating that this stock is still weak. Nothing has changed, right? We had this price prediction on our chart ever since November. And if nothing changes, then we're going to continue to go forth with our current thesis. Now, if you guys want to learn more about how I do this, I want you all to make sure before you head out, follow me, right? I got a whole lot of content. Go back and look at some of my videos from before, and then go back and see what actually happened in the future. I'm trying to give you all information that is not readily available. If people really understood how stocks work, then they will be able to predict, right? They'll be able to come in and take a couple of minutes, show you what's going on in the market and whether or not the market has changed, whether your prediction has changed, or whether you're going to stay the course. Right now, we're still staying the course in NEO. Yeah, we are. Now, let's take a look at the market, though, because we are starting out on a new month, right? So let's zoom in a little bit closer for NEO. And let's take a look at the month of January. Take a look. That's the monthly price bar right there. The market stopped. Take a look. Right here at a point to where the market broke out. Right here. Look at that. The low on this monthly price bar in September was $3.96. Okay? $3.96. Now, when I go to the month of January, take a look at where the low was. Okay. The low for last month in January was $4.01. Why is it so close to the low that occurred in September of last year? Isn't that crazy? Why would that happen? $3.96 was the low in September. The low in January of 2025 was $4.01. Why so close? Because whoever purchased NEO in September and August of last year, they still want to purchase NEO at that price, period. Okay, so what does it mean? Well, it simply means that if those individuals, if they ever leave from their position of $3.96 to $4, if they ever leave, then the market in NEO will continue to go lower. They are the ones that's keeping the market propped up. The people the institutions who purchased NEO back in August and September last year. Now, looking at that monthly price bar, do you think that those people will continue to buy? Because there's a lot of selling pressure pushing down on NEO's price right now. Hopefully, those people who bought in August and September last year, hopefully they got enough money to buy more. Let's take a look at NEO on the 5. What do you guys think here? NEO on the 3. Okay. NEO on the 2. It would have been great to see price in NEO continue to hold this area right here, but it fell through. It would have been great for us to have seen price hold this area right here. But as you can tell, the market fell through that trend, that support area, right? Now, the crazy part is that, like I told you, somebody's trying to keep this stock propped up. I don't know who it is. They don't want to relinquish price going lower than that $3, $4 and a penny area. They don't. Here it is on the weekly chart. So again, it doesn't look extremely bearish. The price in NEO, these price bars, doesn't look bad. So I'm gonna keep it real. It doesn't look that bad. As a matter of fact, looking at this on the weekly chart right here, let me point this arrow to it. It's kind of was a wash between the sellers and the buyers. So there's still potential that NEO could go up. Like, I'm gonna keep it real. That last weekly price bar with the high volume at the bottom of the chart is letting me know that someone is coming in still supporting that price. So all is not lost in us looking for NEO to go up. Okay. And another reason why I say that is because we didn't get the follow through of selling off of that weekly price bar. You see that? We are 3 weeks into the printing of that weekly price bar and the market hasn't gone down. We have 3 more bars that's printed, right? And the market is not even going down off of those 3 price bars. So apparently the strength is coming in the market in NEO. A part of me kind of wants to get rid of this price prediction and kind of play the move to the upside. I'm just saying, because I'm looking at how the market is reacting and how it's not reacting, and when it should be reacting, but it's not doing that. It's kind of saying, all right, cool, we might need to look for price in NEO to go higher. Here it is on the 4-day. Here it is on the 3. Take a look at NEO on the 2. Okay. Here's NEO on the daily. So you tell me, would you be bullish or bearish in the market in NEO? You can see right here on the 330. What is the market doing in NEO? Yeah, right now it's kind of making higher lows. Hey, I wouldn't be surprised to see price in NEO go up. Now, I'm not truly convinced though, not yet, that NEO is a buy yet. Not yet. Okay, I'm just saying, I'm not on the bandwagon for NEO to go higher. I think the potential is gaining momentum for price to go up in NEO, but not yet. I'm not ready to pull that trigger yet to say, yeah, let's make it happen. So I'm just going to keep it on pause again for NEO. But if I continually see price not go lower off of weakness price bars, then apparently I need to come through and say, look, y'all, this stock is gaining momentum. The buyers are gaining more control of price. I'm going to look for the market to go up. It might happen early next week. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.